In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix the insufficient margin error on the Binance app. This error can be frustrating when you're trying to trade, but the solution is quick and easy. Follow along and I'll show you exactly how to clear it up in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, go to the settings of your phone. This is where you can manage all app-related issues. Then scroll down and find Apps and Services. It may be labeled slightly differently depending on your device. Next, click Apps from the options listed. This will bring up a list of all installed applications. After that, find the Binance app and tap on it. Make sure you're selecting the correct one with the official icon. Now scroll down and click Storage Settings. This is where cache and data are stored for the app. Then, click Clear Cache to remove temporary files that might be causing errors. This won't delete any of your personal data or login info. And that's how you fix the insufficient margin error on Binance. If this helped, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to How to Tutor for more fast and helpful guides. See you next time!